Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. Linguica is a kind of Portuguese sausage, and is easy to find in Hawaii or southeast New England. Can't get there? You can make it yourself with this recipe. This is great eaten just like hot dogs on lightly buttered buns. You can also make little meatballs from this and use it in sandwiches or as a pizza topping. This recipe describes how to make the linguica contents. We're not actually going to make sausages in casings since the first thing you do for most recipes is remove the casings and chop up the meat anyway. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Lean ground pork, garlic, sugar, salt, white pepper, paprika, oregano, fennel seed, cayenne pepper, white vinegar, red wine. Now let's make it. Mix all of the ingredients in a large bowl. If you must do this by hand, use a glove or a plastic bag to cover your hand. Cover and chill for several hours to allow the spices to diffuse into the meat. Shape into patties or stuff into casings. Optionally cure them in a smoker for 3 to 4 hours. Technically speaking, it is really Spanish longanza sausage if it's not smoked, but close enough. Cook before serving. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.